guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the Topstep challenge and how it works and what are the important things that you have to know. So here you're going to find the 50k, 100k, 150k, and there you're going to find the monthly price, or like how much money you have to pay. Now for each of these kind of like plans, you see that you have the profit target like 3k, 6k, 9k. And the position size that you can have is only 5 contracts, and this is the maximum loss limit is like 2k, 3k, 4.5k. So this is something that you see. And also this is the most important thing, is that the all traders pay a one-time $149 activation fee per express funded account upon passing. So this is something that you have to be also like aware of. So then you have something that is called like the challenge, where you have gonna have like the monthly fee here, and then you have also see the profit target, the maximum loss limit, and the daily loss is like 1k, and the drawdown type is like trailing. So you don't have time limit, but you have the fee that are going to renew monthly. And then the Topstep also, how it works and what you're gonna get is the end of the day trailing drawdown. And what this actually means is that drawdown only moves when your account balance reaches a new high at the end of the trading day. It is not trail intraday. So if you're up to like, let's say $1,000, your new max loss line moves to 49,000 instead of 48,000. And for payout, also this is like very important, that if you want to actually get payout from Topstep, is that you must complete 5 winning days. Each winning day must be at least $150 profit, and if you withdraw 100% profit, your drawdown resets to 0, which breaches the account. You must leave money in the account to maintain $2,000 buffer. So let's say that you're gonna, like, let's say I'm going to share with you that you're gonna have $5,000 in profit. You like withdraw 3k, but leave the 2,000 there. You have allowed news trading. Also, you have allowed copy trading. ES algos are not allowed. And that's also what you have to be aware of. So hope this video provided you like also the payout takes like few days. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided you value, and have a great day and goodbye.